I don't know how to start this video off, but good morning.
0, 1.
I don't know how to start this video off, but good morning. My name is Carmen, and I know it's been a minute since I posted a video up on my YouTube channel. So I'm going to take this journey and I'm going to have y'all go with me. And I'm going to be recording my life living out of my car and tell y'all this story, how I've been living out my car since 2023 and how it led to me living out of my car since 2023. So I will be vlogging my life, and I know what to expect. I know it's going to be people with many questions. I know it's going to be people with many opinions. And I know it's going to be people who's going to say something negative, but I'm going to keep doing what I'm doing. So now, just stay tuned. So what I'm about to do is go into the gym, and this is my clothes. I have to organize everything all over again. So I'm going into the gym so I can take my shower. And this is the bag that I'm going to use. So, and get all my body care and stuff together. I know people gonna have many questions, but everybody finance is different, financial is different, economy is different. When the job's not paying, as much as they should, and landlords constantly go up on rent. Some things you may qualify for, some things you may not qualify for. So I want to take y'all on this journey with me so I can, get back into posting again. This is my bag. This is my little scrubbies and stuff that I use, and my little scrunchie and stuff like that. Trying to save money so I can afford rent, but they want your credit score to be a certain 700, almost 800. And I ask myself from time to time, if I'm going to have a 720 some odd credit score, then I might as well just get me something else. So hold on, let me get my bag together. I am heading towards the gym, and I pay a membership so I can bathe and do all my womanly things that I normally do. Look at the body. So we're gonna go inside the gym, but I gotta put the video on pause so they can scan my code in the gym. So the gym I go to is Planet Fitness, and that's how I keep myself hygiene. So I'll be back once I make it inside the gym. So I made it in the gym. Excuse me. And this is how the gym looks. And this is the shower area. So that's how I handle my hygiene. So I usually try to go on days where it's slow. where it's not so occupied. So that way I can get in and out quicker instead of waiting. So let me handle my hygiene, and once I'm done, I'll get right back to y'all. Okay, so I am out of the shower, just leaving the gym. So now I'm going to go to the storage unit and put some things in storage. And I have 2 orders that I need to pack up that I got the other day. So I'm going to ship them out today. So I don't want to drive with my phone in my hand, and I don't want my phone to overheat because it's hot. So once I make it to the storage area, I'm going to pick you guys back up. So I hope I'm getting this on camera. So I'm recording from my phone. So this is my storage unit. And this is basically where I keep all my stuff at and my stuff for my business. So I had to upgrade because I needed something bigger. So I'm gonna step back. So it's pretty roomy. It's like a 10 by 10. So right now I am getting 2 orders together so I can get ready to ship them out today. And I think I misplaced my thank you cards when I was cleaning out the storage unit, which I'm upset about because I don't want to ship it and then they don't like, okay, she didn't say thank you or nothing. But luckily I found some stickers that said thank you. But yeah, this is the storage unit that I have, and this is where I keep all my belongings at. So let me start packing these orders up and let me get it shipped out. So I am walking up towards the mall, which is that mall there. So for whoever's watching this, you know. I love this mall. It's a nice mall. And it's peaceful too. And it gets crowded on Saturdays and Sundays. But during the weekday, it's the best time to go in the mall. So when you living out your car and you homeless, I don't have too many friends. So I try to go to places where I can have some downtown to myself, or I may go over to a friend's house from time to time. But more than likely, I'm either at work or at the mall. So you have to go in, so hold on. Here we are in the mall. Walking fast, so if I sound like I'm out of breath, I don't want to put everybody in. So I go to my favorite spot in the mall, and it's this coffee place I go to. If all the chairs not taken. But this is where I go to sit down at in the play area. So let me find a spot to sit down. Got the little Easter bunny. See what they got. So I'm gonna be talking over the music and stuff, but they going out of business and they still have some little stuff left. It's really heavy shopping, but it seems like they steady getting new stuff in. This is cute. Little pants, legging pants. This is cute too. I already have a dress like this. And I just purchased me one of these. They got their little hoodies and stuff on sale too. Nice. Let's go on the other side and see what they got. They still got a lot of stuff now. It's like they adding more stuff too. See what else they got. They still got stuff over here too. This is cute. This is graphic tee. And they still got sweaters and stuff like that. Let's go somewhere else. Okay, so I only got a little bit of light, but I am getting ready to go to sleep. I'm well rested, comfortable really, and I have to work tomorrow, so I have to work on Sundays. So when I wake up in the morning, I might record and probably record while I'm going into work. So I will see you guys in the morning. And I'm tired. And I also told I'm gonna edit this video to give y'all some good footage. But y'all have a good night. So good morning. This is the next day, and I am up. So basically, I am a team lead, and I have 3 departments. So every morning when I come in, I have to walk through my department. So I have dairy, I have frozen, and I have the lunch meat, which is the 97 wall. So this is what I do: walk the area, make sure overnight, see how much we have left over, if the guys have to work, overstock, gold bags, whatever it may be, if they have a lot of it. So I have to walk the area, and this is the area I have to walk. Far as frozen. So like I said, I do work, but it's just that certain places they want you to have between a 700, good morning, or a 720 credit score in order to afford the rent. But I'm not gonna let that bother me. So only thing I can do is save my coins. So this is what I do in the morning. I walk the area. Sometimes I have to cover another team leads area if they out, and check on their associates too. So I'm gonna be back and forth, in and out throughout the day. Okay, so I just found out the other team lead not here. Good morning. And I'm going to have to cover the grocery section, and this is grocery, so I'm gonna have to cover it. It's me and another team lead. Good morning. So now I'm about to walk over to HBA, and the other team lead, she is not here today, so I'm gonna be in her area and my area. So I got to go check on the associates, so it's only me and another team lead. Good morning. So and I only been in this position a month. So this is how you, when one team lead is out or 2 team leaders out, and you only have 2 team leads available, you have to cover their area too. So not just your area, but everybody else's area. So let me make it over there, and I'll be right back. So basically I have to walk off the area, make sure that they it's zoned up. Basically that's what you want to make sure, that everything is zoned and The floors are clean, so it look like to me they need to get somebody over here to sweep up. Hey, Miss Carla. How's everything?
Good morning. So, look, come.
Yes, ma'am. I'm following you.
So right now, for the overnighters, that's the right way to put the stuff. But they're still bringing boxes, so look. So they're for like a tree or like this.
That's not supposed to be like that.
So I was about to send a text, but this one, look, that's not like that. Like that one.
It's too much.
So
customer service needed to auto body paint and repair.
It's too much. They could have hung it, like you got space right here. They could have hung it here.
no.
No? So can they hang it over here?
No.
Not on this?
That's why we had a bag. So my best way is like every four foot section.
Okay.
That's my best way. You can put just like 2 items.
It's just only 2,
Yeah,
but not 3.
not 3. Hola María, son
Good morning.
dos items genéricos, ¿verdad? María, de colgar pueden poner 2 o 3. De 82. 2, ¿verdad?
So it's only supposed to be 2.
Yeah.
So what I'm gonna do is I'll let I don't know, I gotta see if Lupe coming in today.
No, right now they're stacking right there.
Okay.
So then it's not the right way, so you're making me faces. So that's not a good thing because, you know...
I think they know they're not supposed to do it, but they do it anyway just to get rid of it.
Because suppose it's only...
And we can't have no more yellow tags. No yellow. So we got to either cover this up.
Yeah. And look at the on the side.
Yeah. She just told me, so y'all can't clip nothing on here.
Yeah.
So you can't clip nothing on there?
No. On the side.
Okay. Okay.
Maybe the overnight stack like that.
This got to come off.
Ya les dije que no, pero o sea, están stackeando ellos. So can you send pictures?
Hold on. Oh, I am exhausted. I didn't even get a chance to film anything, but I'm off now, so. And I had a very busy day and a rough day. The store manager was upset because overnight didn't finish freight or didn't do what they were supposed to do. And by me being a team lead over 3 different departments, I had to go through each of my departments to make sure what was left, what was work, what wasn't work. They didn't even bin half of the stuff. Stuff was still left on pallets, but not binned. So I had to make sure I cleared the back out, run pallets out that overnight didn't finish, because we get a dairy truck almost like every other day. So I'm about to head to the storage unit because I need to put some stuff in storage. And then I'm so exhausted. I'll probably go to the gym to take a shower and then grab me something to eat. But other than that, this is the life of me living in my car. And I'm going to edit, but I'm going to end the vlog tonight when I get me something to eat. So I'll see y'all later. Okay, so I'm back and I'm eating. I'm about to edit this video, but I'm gonna use my tablet. Edit. If anybody coming in or watching, my name is Carmen, and I'm going to be vlogging myself living out of my car until I can find a place to stay. So, this is my car. And I have some cleaning up to do and stuff like that. But, this is going to be raw and uncut and the truth. I do work. I work a full-time job. But the requirements that they want you to have before you can get approved for a job is they want your credit score to be between a 700 and a 720. And they want you to make 2 times the rent. And it's kind of scary because, and then you paying so much for the application fee, because some application fees running between $35, $40 to $55. And it's just like you giving money away, you know, and hoping that you'll get the apartment. So I'm going to do another vlog, but this vlog is it's a 2-day vlog from Saturday, and today is Sunday. What I do in a day, living out my car. Something on my face. So basically I'm going to be just vlogging. Some days I'll be vlogging while I'm at work. And I couldn't vlog while I was at work, really, because I had so much I had to do and make sure a lot of stuff was done. But I'll try to vlog here and there. But I am a business owner, so I do have my own business. And I just put it on pause and build for right now. But I am on TikTok, so I'm going to put my information on the screen and everything so everybody can see it if you're interested. But hopefully I will do another vlog on the situation and telling, how did this happen and why I made the decision. So just like, comment, and subscribe. And I know this is like a short mini vlog, but I just wanted to see how it would go. And I just appreciate everybody from watching. So everybody have a nice day. And thank you all.